One of my favorite things, Carrot Top Vitamin Water from the garden. Easy peasy, stick with me. I'll show you how to get extra vitamins. So, you know, I have to thin out these carrots so you can see right here. They're all bunched up. So I'm going to thin them out. I'm going to pull some out and leave room for, you know, you want to leave about 2 inches for each carrot to grow. So I'm going to pull these out, but what I want to talk about today is the nutrition in these carrot tops. So I'm not going to throw away these carrot tops when I'm thinning. I am going to make carrot top water. Carrot top water has about 6 times more vitamin C than the roots. And it has potassium and calcium as well. So let's do that together. So you can see in here, I'll just pull these apart just so you can see how to thin. You know, you've got a bunch bunched up here, so you want to just thin these out and just leave maybe 1 or 2 spaced about 2 inches apart. But these are really bunched together, so you want to take those out. And of course, I'm going to take these beautiful carrot tops and I'm going to save them, and we're going to make carrot top water. So it's hard to get you to see here, but see how these are all bunched together? And you can see them at the bottom. So I'm just going to pull some of these so that they're not all bunched together and that, you know. So I'll take some of these, and you want them kind of like this, where they're about 1 inch apart or 2 inches apart. These individual carrots, they're about 2 inches apart, see? And then that way they'll get nice and big and fat. So making carrot top water is easy. You put your carrot tops in your teapot, and then you pour boiling water on it, and you let it sit there for 24 hours. And now we're going to strain it into a jug and make some nice water. So the beauty of creating yourself a nice nutrient-rich water is that it's so easy. Now I'm just going to put a strainer on my juice jug, and I'm going to pour this beautiful carrot top water into this jug. And I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it get nice and cold, and we're going to serve it with water. It is awesome, filled with nutrients, and look at the beautiful color, right? And if you want something great for digestion, carrot tops. Carrot tops are awesome for digestion. So this is a beautiful water. My husband loves it when I make vitamin water. So instead of throwing out those carrot tops as you're thinning them, there's so many uses for them. You can put them in your composter, but you can also make vitamin water. So I have made some great vitamin water here. My husband loves it. He calls it the recipe. I always make little teas, and then you put them in the fridge and they're cold. And instead of drinking just plain water, you have something that's loaded with vitamins. So one of my favorite things, Carrot Top Vitamin Water. It is awesome, very mild flavor, and you have a great day.